The rise of the machines, but not quite. A humorous look at AI's current state. Imagine this. You ask an AI to write you a poem about the cosmos. You expect profound verses on swirling galaxies and the birth of stars. Instead, you get a limerick about a black hole eating a burrito. It's funny, sure, but not exactly insightful. This humorous scenario highlights a real issue. Traditional AI training has limitations. We feed AI massive datasets and hope for the best. Sometimes it produces brilliance. Other times, it's a cosmic burrito limerick. The missing ingredient? Us. Enter RLHF, or reinforcement learning from human feedback. This groundbreaking approach injects human intelligence directly into the AI training process. It's like giving our AI a crash course in human understanding. The results are remarkable. Think about the myriad applications of AI in our daily lives. From self-driving cars that navigate complex city streets to virtual assistants that manage our schedules, AI is everywhere. Yet, despite its ubiquity, AI still stumbles in the most unexpected ways. Ever had your virtual assistant misunderstand a simple command? It's both amusing and frustrating. The key to overcoming these limitations lies in continuous improvement and human collaboration. Scientists and engineers are tirelessly working to refine AI models, making them more intuitive and responsive. With RLHF, AI systems learn from human interactions, gradually evolving from confusion to a deeper understanding. This iterative process ensures that AI becomes more aligned with human values and expectations. Picture an AI robot having an aha moment, finally grasping the nuances of human humor or the subtleties of a complex task. It's a delightful and promising vision of the future. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, the goal is to create systems that not only perform tasks efficiently but also understand and anticipate our needs. The future of AI is not just about automation. It's about creating a harmonious partnership between humans and machines. So while we may still get the occasional cosmic burrito limerick, the journey towards truly intelligent AI is well underway. And who knows? Maybe one day, our AI companions will be as insightful as they are entertaining. Whispering wisdom to algorithms. Introducing RLHF. So, what exactly is RLHF? Think of it like this. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. You don't just show the dog a picture and hope for the best. You use rewards and corrections to guide its behavior. RLHF works similarly. We use a system of rewards to teach AI. The AI learns by trial and error, receiving positive reinforcement for desired actions. Over time, the AI gets better at its task, guided by our feedback. Training AI like training a puppy, sort of. A deep dive into the RLHF process. Let's break down the RLHF process. First, the AI attempts a task like writing a poem or generating code. Human reviewers then evaluate the AI's output based on predefined criteria. Was the poem creative? Was the code efficient? This feedback, whether positive or negative, is translated into rewards. Positive feedback equals a reward. The AI then uses this feedback to adjust its internal model. It's a continuous learning loop, constantly refining the AI's understanding. Beyond ones and zeros, how RLHF aligns AI with human values. What makes RLHF so revolutionary is its ability to align AI with human values and preferences. Traditional AI often struggles with nuances like humor, creativity, and ethics. RLHF bridges this gap. By incorporating human feedback, we're essentially teaching AI to see the world through our eyes. This leads to AI systems that are not only more intelligent, but also more aligned with our needs and expectations. From chatbots to chefs, the boundless applications of RLHF. The applications of RLHF are incredibly diverse. Imagine chatbots that can hold natural and engaging conversations, understanding your intent and responding with empathy. Picture AI assistants that can draft emails, write code, or even compose music, all tailored to your specific preferences. RLHF is already making waves in fields like customer service, content creation, and education. As the technology matures, we can expect to see its impact across virtually every industry. The reward conundrum. Navigating the challenges of human feedback. While incredibly promising, RLHF is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles lies in designing effective reward models. human feedback is inherently subjective and can vary widely. Imagine asking 10 people to evaluate a piece of art. You'll likely get 10 different opinions. Translating this subjective feedback into clear and consistent rewards for the AI is a complex task. It requires careful consideration of the specific task, the target audience, and the desired outcome. Lost in translation, ensuring quality and consistency in feedback. Another challenge lies in collecting high-quality human feedback at scale. Imagine training an AI to write news articles. You'd need feedback from experienced journalists to ensure accuracy, objectivity, and clarity. Gathering this level of expertise can be time-consuming and expensive. Researchers are exploring innovative ways to address this, such as using crowdsourcing platforms and developing automated quality control mechanisms. RLHF in the wild real-world success stories and emerging trends. In this section, we will explore how reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, is making waves across various industries, showcasing its potential and versatility. Despite these challenges, RLHF is already demonstrating remarkable success in various applications. From healthcare to finance, and from customer service to entertainment, the impact of RLHF is becoming increasingly evident. Take, for example, the language model behind your favorite voice assistant. These assistants are not just static programs, they are dynamic systems that learn and evolve. It likely uses RLHF to constantly improve its ability to understand and respond to your requests. This means that every interaction you have with your voice assistant helps it become more accurate and efficient. In the realm of customer service, RLHF is powering chatbots that can handle complex inquiries, resolve issues, and even provide personalized recommendations. These chatbots are becoming more adept at understanding the nuances of human language, making customer interactions smoother and more satisfying. And in the gaming industry, RLHF is being used to create more challenging and engaging opponents that can learn from your gameplay. This not only makes games more enjoyable, but also pushes the boundaries of what AI can achieve in interactive entertainment. In healthcare, RLHF is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and developing personalized treatment plans. By learning from vast amounts of medical data and human feedback, these AI systems are becoming invaluable tools in modern medicine. In the financial sector, RLHF is helping analysts predict market trends and make more informed investment decisions. The ability to learn from historical data and human expertise allows these systems to provide insights that were previously unimaginable. As we continue to explore the potential of RLHF, it's clear that this technology is not just a fleeting trend, but a transformative force across multiple domains. The future holds even more exciting possibilities as RLHF continues to evolve and integrate into our daily lives. The ethical frontier, addressing bias and promoting responsible AI. As with any powerful technology, RLHF comes with ethical considerations. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF, is a method that leverages human input to guide AI behavior. While this approach can lead to more intuitive and human-aligned AI systems, it also opens the door to significant ethical challenges. One concern is the potential for bias in human feedback. Human biases, whether conscious or unconscious, can seep into the feedback provided to AI systems. If the feedback data reflects existing societal biases, the AI may perpetuate or even amplify these biases. This can lead to AI systems that unfairly disadvantage certain groups or make decisions that are not equitable. It's crucial to address this issue by ensuring diversity in the feedback providers and developing mechanisms to detect and mitigate bias in both the data and the algorithms. Diverse feedback can help in capturing a wide range of perspectives, making the AI more inclusive and fair. Promoting transparency and accountability in RLHF development is paramount to building trustworthy and equitable AI systems. This involves clear documentation of the feedback process, regular audits, and open communication about the limitations and potential biases of the AI. By fostering a culture of responsibility and openness, we can work towards AI that serves all of humanity fairly and justly. The future of collaboration. Humans and AI working hand in hand. The future of AI is not about machines replacing humans, it's about humans and machines working together. RLHF embodies this vision of collaboration. By integrating human intelligence into the AI development process, we can create systems that augment our capabilities, enhance our creativity, and help us solve complex problems. RLHF is a giant leap towards a future where AI is not just intelligent, but also aligned with our values and aspirations. Keep exploring. Resources for the AI enthusiast. This is just the beginning of the RLHF journey. As the field continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications and ethical considerations to emerge. Keep exploring. The world of AI is vast and constantly changing. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Vlab Solutions.